Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Tesco Clubcard. The process is very easy and simple. You just have to go to your browser on your PC and you should search for Tesco Clubcard Register. And here you will find this link right here, the first one. Just click on register right here. It will redirect you to this page. Now you will have to fill in all this information and including the email address, then the password, and you should set a strong password so that you cannot be scammed. After that, you'll have to choose between these three options. You have to choose only one. Just choose the first option right here. And now you have to select your title, type your first and last name, and finally some additional information like the phone number and the address. And once you finish all these things, you should just check this box down below right here and click on create account. And this is how easy it is. It is just a simple process. You can do it anywhere, anytime by using your mobile phone or even using a browser on your PC. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.